Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 5 things you need to know before you weigh. When we try to lose weight, gain muscle or just keep a healthy weight, the scales can be our worst enemy. Constant measurement of our weight and observation of various results can lead to disappointment, negative feelings and despair. It is important to understand that the balance is a complex device that we cannot believe blindly, without taking into account other factors that affect weight fluctuations. Here we decided to collect all these key elements that we need to keep in mind before we weigh. 1. Time. To accurately track progress, it is better to weigh yourself on the same day every week, or every day, at the same time. It is better to weigh yourself in the morning after you have emptied the bladder, but before breakfast. 2. Clothing. You should always measure your weight in the same clothes or without it at all. This is because your clothes can have different weights and can be quite heavy. We are confident that you do not need additional frustration, right? 3rd place. Set a scale in the same place every time you measure your weight. It should be a firm, level surface. Do not put it on the carpet. A non-stationary scale may lead to inaccurate reading. 4. Weight. To get the exact weight, it is important to stand still with your weight distributed equally on both legs. Some types of weights also require that you be barefoot. 5. Types of weights. Your body weight depends on the type of scale used. The working mechanism may differ from the company to the company. In addition, there are scales that measure your body composition and percentage of fats. To avoid confusion, it is better to trust only one scale. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.